Are you planning to move to Norway in 2025? Want to live and work in one of the most peaceful, high-income countries in the world? In this video, I'll walk you through the complete work visa process for Norway step by step. And if you're serious about it, I've created a special to 99 affordable course where I personally guide you right from documents to job search to visa application. Link is in the description. 1. Why Norway? Let's start with why Norway is becoming one of the hottest destinations for skilled workers. High salaries, free healthcare, work-life balance, safety, and beautiful environment. Skilled worker shortages in multiple sectors like IT, construction, healthcare, and more. Visual Norway job sectors, quality of life stats, rankings. 2. Types of work visas. There are mainly 3 work visa types you should know. 1. Skilled worker visa, most popular for people with qualifications. 2. Job seeker visa, to search job while staying in Norway. 3. Seasonal work visa for agriculture, fisheries, etc.
3. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Check eligibility. Bachelor's degree, skilled trade job offer from a Norwegian employer, clean background, plus passport valid. Step 2. Find a job. Use websites like nav.no, finn.no, jobbnorge.no, EURES. Inside my course, I'll give you a ready-made list of companies who are hiring international workers plus cold email templates to apply directly. Step 3. Collect documents. Passport, letter, degree, certificate, SMS, letterpolis, clearance, show visual checklist. Step 4. Apply for visa. Apply online at ud.no. Pay application fee. Book appointment at VFs or embassy. Wait time 4-8 weeks usually. 4. Cost breakdown. Expense approx cost visa fee 47,000. Translation docs 2,005. 000 VFs embassy visit 3,000 total 52,000 plus. That's why I made my course affordable, just $299, to save you from costly agents and scams. Plus, I personally guide you inside a private group. 5. Tips to increase approval chances. Use a strong CV and cover letter. Use EURES format. Apply to multiple jobs, not just one. Learn basic Norwegian. A 1 level helps. Show sufficient funds in your bank account. Don't rely on agents. Do it yourself. 6. My $299 work visa course. Many of you were asking for help. That's why I created a step-by-step course for just $299. What you get inside: full video lessons, job application tips, interview prep, free CV templates, private group access, direct support from me. Link is in description. Limited seats only. Outro visual. Drone footage of Norway. Moving to Norway can change your life, but only if you plan it smartly. Hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and drop your questions in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the $299 course if you want personal help from me. See you in the next one.